Hello, so you want to add captions to your video in Capcut? I have the solution for you. It's very simple and it's automatic. So the only thing you have to do is like correct some mistakes that the AI can do. So you have to go to your video here, import the video and drag it to the timeline. And then you have to go up here in caption section, select the language you want to make the caption, and you have to press generate here. Okay, so you have to wait a little bit. So I'm going to pause. Okay, excellent. So it already generated the captions, as you can see. Okay, so also here you have a lot of templates to use, like this one is very cool, or this one. Wait a second. Okay, so as you can see, it's very cool. So if you like this video and was helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, press the bell in the button of subscribing, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.